Hello viewers, welcome to my channel MD Rahman. I hope you are well. I am well too. Today I will show you a video about how to insert or how to create a table in Microsoft Office Excel 2010. Firstly, I will say that if you learn to watch this video, then subscribe to my channel and press bell button to get more notification update. Now let's go to start this video. For inserting a table into Microsoft Excel, Office Excel, you have to go here, Home, Font tab. This is Font tab or font option. This is Excel background, Microsoft Office Excel background, and here this is column, A column, B column, C column, and this is raw, and number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this is raw. But if you preview this, this is not lines background. There are no lines background, only white background or nil background. For this you have to create table. So go to Font tab and click here, bottom border, borders. Click here, borders, and here many options. Click all borders. Click all borders, but first going there, first select that you want, select and go here and click all borders, and here a table has been created. And now print preview, click print preview, and this is table, and a table has been created. So this is a option to create table, and here you can write something and you can count or sum something. This is column and this is row. Now come to the point. If you extend the rows or extend or expand the column, then you should go here. If you expand the column, you should pull it right or left, pull it right or left. I will pull it right, and a column has been expanded. Now if you want to expand the rows, then you should go here, 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 and a sign is appeared here, a sign is appeared here, and then pull it down, pull it down, pull it down, pull it down, and the rows are expanded, and you can write here something boldly and increased letters or increased numbers, or big letters or big numbers. Now you will watch how to merge here, or how to merge in Microsoft Excel. So select the cells or columns that you want, select, and I am selecting three columns, three cells, and go here, merge and center, and click here, over here, and it has been merged. Now print preview, and here merge, and this way you can merge. And if you want to write something, then write here freely, and here option that if you warp text, click warp text, and the lines will be breaked, and a line will be one behind one, one line, two line, one line and two line, by the option of warp text. And you can change the position of the text, alignment option. You can make center, you can make right, you can make left, and you can make justified from here, alignment tab. And if you want to create another column, then select and click all borders, and a column has been created. And if you want to create rows, then select a row and right click on your mouse and go here, insert, and here four options. If you want to insert a cell, after the selected cell. After the selected cell, then click OK. Shift cells down, and a cell has been, or a row has been created. By this ways you can insert, you can make, and you can include, you can any work of a table easily. And I hope you can avail these ways for creating a table, for creating column, for creating rows, or merging. So viewers, thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you very much.